Which is the best website to learn about digital marketing? Sania Tausif says, there is no particular website that can teach you website. If you are planning to learn online marketing online, then internet is your college and Google is your department. When you make a search, you will come across innumerable online courses, websites, guides and videos. I would suggest you follow this plan. 1. Search about branches of online marketing. 2. Study all branches of online, digital marketing. 3. Analyze and decide which branch or field is best for you. 4. Study more about that branch. 5. Search for online certifications of the branch chosen by you. 6. Learn how to get those certificates, give tests, take certificates. 7. Reach out to experts on LinkedIn or any other platform for tips or advice. When you do self-learning, there's no limit to how much you can study and discover. Good luck. Sharia Maratra says, in terms of demand and pay, nowadays digital marketing is considered one of the lucrative careers to get into. From CO to SMO, it offers a plethora of career opportunities to both creative and technical backgrounds. But for this, you need the required skills and knowledge. So, today I'll share some best online marketing courses that will help you to kickstart your digital marketing journey. 1. Udacity provides excellent online marketing training called Become a Digital Marketer, which is one of their nanodegree programs designed to take you from zero skills to an adept digital marketer. With zero experience required and frequent discounts, this is one of the budget-friendly courses to learn. 2. Digital Marketing Career Blueprint. The structure of this course covers both theories and in-depth training. Unlike others, their training covers live case studies to help you understand how things work in reality. And after course completion, their mentors will guide you to earn your first gig. That's why I added this course to my list. 3. LinkedIn Learning. This is one of the reasonable online learning options because by paying a low, flat monthly fee, you'll gain access to an expert-led course on the platform. Throughout this course, not only you'll get to know about the fundamentals of digital marketing but also the right technique to discover best practices. Apart from these, there are other websites also available in the market. Budget, time availability, and learning mode are 3 essential factors that you need to consider while opting for any course. Hope this helps you. Do follow me for more answers on digital marketing. Arbaz Fatmi says, 1. Coursera. 2. YouTube. 3. HubSpot. 4. Udemy. 5. LinkedIn. 6. EDX. 7. Backlinko. 8. Neil Patel. 9. SEO Journal. 10. WordStream. Thanks for watching our video on which is the best website to learn about digital marketing.